Hi from Korea. In this video I just want to go over some of the not so good points about Korea that you should consider before you come here. First of all, the summer gets so hot and so humid, so really think about the time of year you come, and if you want to be sweating. And I've had to use an umbrella, a UV umbrella, because it's just been ridiculous, and I'm here in the air conditioning, which is great. So if you come in late July, August, beginning of September, be prepared to sweat like hell. Another thing on my list would be, I wouldn't say the cities are pedestrian friendly. There's a lot of traffic lights that take forever to change, and you're not allowed to cross the road until it's the green man. You can get in trouble for that. In the big cities too, there's a lot of underpasses. You have to go under the road, so you're going up and down the stairs all the time. And yeah, it's not a very walking friendly country from what I can see. So yeah, that's one thing that gets a bit annoying, let's say. This is strange to put on my list, but litter bins. Yeah, there's hardly any litter bins. So think twice before you buy a coffee or something, because you'll be holding that cup for maybe half an hour. Yeah, around the cities and parks, there's just no litter bins, and it can get really annoying because you can't litter the place either, because you're going to get fined. So yeah, I don't understand why it's like that, but that can get really annoying. You are going to be so surprised at how expensive fruit is here. Oranges, apples, bananas, it's like crazy. Grapes. When you see the prices of fruit here, and some of it is grown here too, like the mandarinas, the mandarins, the oranges, it's grown here, but it's like ridiculous prices. So that was a big shock. Another thing on my list is vegetables. You get little sides of vegetables, but you get vegetable and kimchi, but eating out, there's not a lot of green vegetables. It's a lot of meat and fish and carbs, rice, but fruit and vegetables, you don't really see it a lot. So I do feel like I haven't been eating very healthy here. A lot of the food is fried too, so I can't wait to go back to some really healthy food. And another thing, another rant, Google Maps, yeah, it doesn't work here, which is so annoying, because if you want to go from one place to another, so they talk about the Naver app and the Kakao app, but if you don't write in Korean, they've got an English section, but it just doesn't work very well. So not having Google Maps has made it very difficult to get around. I found out luckily that Apple Maps, if you've got an iPhone, will work a little bit. So that's been a saviour. But yeah, having no Google Maps has been difficult. So I hope this video helps you to decide if you want to come to Korea or not. I totally recommend it. There are just some things that are a little bit negative, but I totally recommend coming to Korea. And I hope this video helped. Oh yeah, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up please.